Does something feel too good to be true? This is when everything seems to be going right. Everything feels good. You may have met a new person and it just feels great and you're excited. So there's now panic. Now we're the red flag because we're worried that something's going to go wrong. Try not to act too out of character. Try not to self-sabotage this situation because sometimes these things are true. So yeah, that's you overthinking, contemplating, thinking, is this real? You have the Knight of Wands there, so I would assume that you two guys are getting along very well in all departments. There's attraction, there's excitement, fun, spontaneity. So there's hope, basically, with this person that you seem to have matched with. Now, it's just showing here that you are maybe about to go a bit cold, maybe about to panic, maybe about to kind of mess this or jeopardize the situation. Let's just rebalance and let's get it together here because there is a massive, commitment on the table. This person could offer you marriage, offer you long-term commitment, offer you everything that you want. So that's why it feels too good to be true, because this person could be your person, your real one, your long-term person. So let's just see what's going on. It might be that you've kind of in the past lost things or in the past suffered. And so now you're thinking, this feels so good, I don't want to lose it. What do I do? Oh my gosh. And so you're making bad decisions here, or you're adding 2 and 2 up and getting 5. Now, this person just wants to give. This person wants to give to you. They're coming in as romantic. They're coming in as, the caretaker. And they're quite confident with what they're doing. You've got the sunshine there. They're quite confident with what they're doing. And that might also be making you panic a little bit. But all the signs here are letting us know that this could be very successful. This could be very happy and rewarding for you. So you need to shake off the past, okay? Don't let the past define the future. You've been given something, look at this, wow. You've been given something here. This can also mean marriage, just so you know. So we've got 2 lots of marriage here. Whether you want marriage or not, it can just mean a long-term connection, a solid connection. This is somebody just constantly wanting to give to you. They want to protect and provide for you. They want to give to you on an emotional level. They want to make you their emperor or empress, okay? So this is somebody who's trying to put you up there, trying to put you on the pedestal. So go for it. Let them offer you this. This is long-term. This is solid. This is better than the 10 of Cups, really, because this also shows how long that this connection can last. There's grandparents on there, It's that kind of connection that you have there. And I feel as though it feels like it's meant to be, and that might be what's worrying you. Okay, so please don't self-sabotage this connection. Let's just take a look at the oracle and see what they have to say. But this looks very solid. It looks like you've met someone special. If you're still single, it could be that this person's about to come in. If they tick all of your boxes, don't panic and think, look at that, sabotage. Please don't do this, guys. Just enjoy it, Don't worry about the destination. We've got that covered. It's long term. Don't worry about the destination. Just enjoy the journey. A lot of the time, that's where we go wrong. We spoil things. What did I just say then? Grandparents, and we've got old people on this card. So this could go forever and ever and ever. And this could be somebody who you've already known in a previous life. You've definitely got a soulmate feel to it. Wow. Destiny. Right. Don't neglect this connection. Don't mess it up. Go with the flow. Enjoy the situation, because this person 100% is looking to kind of take it the whole hog with you. This is you overthinking, okay, reflecting on things they've said, things they've done. Stop. It's all going to be fine.